If you want to download Snagit themes and components, then you can go over here onto File, and then over here let's go to Create Image from Template, and over here you have an option to download more. So let me just click on this, and the new window pops up right here, as you can see. So you can download a lot of assets right here. So now you can see that there are some stamps right here, some of them are templates right here, and some are photos right here. So let's just go around onto stamps, let's say for example, onto business stamps, and let's see. So here you have to buy subscription for some of them are free. So let's just see around some free option right here. So let me just expand this out right here, go back and go on to templates right here. Maybe I want to work around with frames. So if I were to go to free, right here, I can go to filter and search for free, apply it, and these are the ones that you can use. As you can see right here, this one is free, so we can simply download the file right here and we can open it up with Snagit just like this. So once we open that up, it'll open it up in Snagit. So over here, you can see right here, so it is not here yet. So let me just close this out, open this up again, right? So let me just go onto the download, open the file out, and over here you can see that that theme has been imported right here. So you can go and drag and drop any image right here, and there you go. So this is how it actually looks. So you got an instant browser just like this. If you have a premium subscription, of course you have more option right here, just like that. So you can just go around and see there's a lot of options right here, well, if you get a premium option. So let's just go back right here. You can also download photos right here, as you can see. So there are static photos that you can use as backgrounds and so forth. So you can simply download this out as well. You can also search out for free photos, but there's none currently right here, as you can see. So let's just go back right here onto stamps and let's see what we have. So you can browse all stamps right here, free stamps that you can use like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these are like gestures right here. So let's just download these out and see how that looks out. So we can open it out with Snagit editor right here. Stamps are installed successfully, as you can see. So you can go on to stamps right here. Of course, there's interface stamps right here. There's everything else. And under like Snagit stamps right here, you'll be able to see a lot of these. So you can go around here. This is here. So let's just go around here onto business stamps, and then there's like stickers interface right here, just like that. And this is the stamps you just downloaded. You can just go around, and then over here you can see that you can bring them out, resize them out, and so forth. So that is how you can download Snagit themes and other components in Snagit to be used with Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.